Hello everyone, it's 7th November. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Hindu newspaper. In the first page, we have two census mobile application tests portal for self-enumeration launched. Again, very important news. Then we have government to inaugurate 4 crore mist spraying project to curb pollution. Very important for political governance as well as environment perspective. Then we have AI-enabled safety app helps bust prostitution racket in Paharganj. Again, very important for science center perspective. Moving forward, we have India is nurturing, investing in young scientists, says experts. Again, very important news. Then we have where leopards roam. Artisans of Pindwara, around 100 kilometers away, made Fairmount Udaipur palaces pillars and domes. Again, very important for environment perspective. Moving forward, we have the editorial page. The editorial page is always important for examination perspective. The first editorial says redraw welfare architecture, place a UBI in the center. Again, very important for political governance perspective. Then we have our AI-based tools for mental health, helpful or harmful. Again, very important for health as well as science-centric perspective. Moving forward, we have why the nomination process needs the reform. Again, very important for polity and governance perspective. Then we have the actual Taj story, how a monument's history has been warped. Again, very important for art and culture perspective. Moving forward, we have airlines report severe GPS spoofing after Delhi for 7 days. Again, very important for environment perspective. Then we have talks on with RBI lenders for big world-class banks, says finance minister. Again, very important for economic perspective. Then we have SEBI expands IPO anchor book size. Again, very important for in economic perspective. Then we have in the world page where we have US to cancel flights by 10% as government shutdown drags on. Then we have Afghanistan-Pakistan trade blame for brief cross-border fighting. Then we have Ukraine drone attacks kill ones. Lastly, we have Trump's nuclear test threats risk upending global test ban regime. Again, very important for all these news are very important for international issues perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.